welcome back to Barbecue Board's Kitchen. Tonight we're going to be doing some seafood and fish taco sauce. Delicious. 2 cups of mayonnaise, 1 cup of diced dill pickles, 2 to 3 teaspoons of yellow mustard, 1 whole onion, and 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. We're going to go ahead and dice our onion and our pickles. We're actually going to half this recipe, so we're only going to go with half of an onion and half a cup of pickles. We don't need that much. Just making a few tacos. We got the 18-inch by 15-inch barbecue board out for this one. It's a great size. That's half an onion. Go ahead and chop that up a little bit better. Pickles, we only had pickle spears, so we're just going to use 3 pickle spears. That should be just enough. This is great with any fish taco, seafood taco, just with fish in general. We're going to be doing some shrimp and carne asada tacos tonight. That'll be in our next video. If you guys want to see that one, give us a like and a subscribe. We're going to continue doing cooks. Hopefully you guys like this stuff. I know it tastes good. That's it. Go ahead and get our measuring cups out. A little bowl to put it all in. As you can see, it's going to make a lot. If you do the full recipe, you end up with a bowl twice this big. So 1 cup of mayo. That's about good. We're just going to go with 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard. And it's going to be a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Just stir it all up, and that's it. There we go. And a nice little color, add some good flavor, and you can see it makes quite a lot, just half the recipe. So check out our carne asada and shrimp. That's going to be the other part of this meal, but we're going to do it in another video. Check out that video. Thanks for watching.